Hello, my name is William. I'm 16 years old, and my favorite sport is playing basketball and swimming. So I usually play basketball with my father in the playground. My favorite subject is math, and I sometimes like English. So my English is very poor, but I work hard to be better. I like Catholic school because it's very interesting. In my opinion, Catholic is a very friendly family, and it has lots of children. I could study sometimes at a Catholic school. Sometimes I have my friend to learn English.
Okay.